Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? We've got a very interesting one for you today. I know my usual videos are 50 crochet ideas, okay? But this one is all knitting. It's all knitting. And here are my credentials. This is all I've ever knit, ever in my entire life. I just started learning how to knit, and let me tell you, it is one of the hardest things I've ever done. I am an advanced crocheter, and knitting is a completely different ball game. Completely. As you can tell, this is all I have to show for it. I've been learning how to knit for about a month now. Yep. Although these are gorgeous. Like, literally look how gorgeous these are. Not a missed stitch anywhere to be seen. I love them. We've got a fun color scheme going on. I recognize that it's a little weird. I do have like the lesbian pride flag collection from when Pride was going on as my yarn, and I have some pumpkins on my vest, and we've got a green shirt. So it's kind of a little crazy today, and I don't, I have no excuses. It's the middle of the night. Maybe that's my problem, but whatever. So today's video, we're going to be going over a bunch of fun fall-ish, cozy knit sweaters, okay? All of these are sweaters. Yes, I'm just double checking. All of these are sweaters, and they're all knit patterns. So if you don't know how to knit, check out my other crochet videos. But if you're learning like me, or you're one of those who does knitting and crocheting, hi, welcome to the video. Let's get into it. Actually, before we get into it, I have to remind you guys that everything I say is listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial, so you can make whatever I'm showing you. Okay, so let's jump right into the first category, in our only category, sweaters. Okay, fall sweaters. So the first one that I have for you is this Drops Design, basic sweater. Okay, we've got some basics in here. We've got some hard ones in here. We've got all we've all knitting levels in this video. I'm gonna have to get used to saying knitting instead of crochet. Sorry guys. For my OG subscribers who've been on this channel, crocheting is where I'm based. So I'm gonna have to get used to the lingo. But we've got this black and white, very detailed knit sweater. Super cute. Can also be exchanged for some more fall colors. I feel like these colors are giving winter. So I am excited for to see what you guys come up with some fall colors for that one. We've got this pullover with like a huge swoop turtleneck. I love it. It's in this burgundy color. Again, you can kind of make it brown or orange or whatever for fall. You can make this one that has just the details. Okay, I cannot wait until I have the skill to crochet this or something similar. I love it. I adore it. If anybody wants to make me one, that'd be great. I literally can't, and I want to, and sweaters just seem so daunting, okay? Sorry, I'm rambling. So you can make this really cute fox sweater, okay? I love me some foxes, especially around fall time. Foxes are where it's at, okay? Adorable sweater. You can kind of go back to the basics with this beginner-friendly knit raglan style sweater, okay? If it's anything like a raglan crochet sweater, then it should be easier than like the other kinds of sweaters. So there's that one, and there's this turtle dove sweater. Again, count how many times I say sweater. Don't take a shot every time I say sweater, or you might die. This Into the Wild sweater is super cute. Again, with the foxes. The foxes are just, mwah, love them, okay? You can make this easy knitted sweater, which this is a video tutorial for my visual subscribers. I got you. You can also make this this Mondorian pullover, which kind of gives like patchwork vibes, but it's not as symmetrical. It's kind of like color blocking more than patchwork, I guess. So yeah, so that's really cute. You can do this chunky moss green sweater. I love it. And this airy essential. I wonder how airy it's literally see-through. I'm looking at this picture. You can see the bars behind it. Pretty airy, I guess. If you're in one of those places where fall is not as cold, that might be for you. It might be an airy essential. You can make this classic pullover, okay? You can make this autumn sweater, which, oh my gosh, look at her. to die for. I love it. You can make this knit sweater that has little cottages or houses or like cabins, I guess, on the front. Super cute. And then for my mushroom subscribers, you know who you are, I found this mushroom inspired kind of toadstool woodland moment sweater. Super cute. And then we've even got this kind of more gemstone round, I think it's called round yoke, gemstone round yoke sweater. Super cute, super angsty. It's giving dark side of fall. I love it. You can make this atlas jumper, the atlas jumper, very chunky. It looks like it's made with some thick yarn. I love that. You can make this superstitious pullover. Now, I think these are the same patterns, but there's this orange superstitious pullover, and then there's another superstitious pullover that's shown in this black and white one. This one's cropped, and the sleeves are a little less detailed. So they're both called superstitious pullovers, but they look a little different, and I'm loving it. Okay, I'm loving the cats on the front. I'm loving, if you're a bright girly, go for that one. If you want a little crop action, go for this one, okay? You can make this fall sweater. It's just, we've got blue tones, and you never really see blue tones in some fall sweaters, so kind of love the variety in that. So we've got some blue tones fall sweaters. Tongue twister. You can make this spooky one with the boogie, you know, ghosts on the front. I know we're in November. I know. Okay, I know. But to me, spooky and orange and ghosts and things like that are not just for October. They blend with November until about like the end of November. Then it starts to switch to Christmas, okay? So that's still, you could still do this. Or even make it as like a gift for someone this Christmas, which many gift videos are to come. By the way, I know you've all been hounding me for Christmas gift ideas. It's coming, okay? Did you hear my elbow pop? Probably not. My elbow popped. Anyway, you can make this boo pullover. Again, I know it's November, but look how cute this is. It's adorable. And it's on my list of things I'm going to knit when I get better at knitting, okay? And then you can make this detailed kind of like a bunch of different patterns going on at the same time sweater. And I love it, okay? I'm here for it. So that is actually all I have for you when it comes to fall inspired knit sweaters, okay? Like I said in the beginning, everything I said is listed in the description box below, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so you can make whatever I'm showing you. And along with that, all the photos are on a cohesive Pinterest board, okay? So if you're a Pinterest girly like me, that's also linked down below. You can add it to your Pinterest, okay? Other than that, you guys, I want to give an extra thank you to all my members. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, there's a little join button next to my name on my channel where you can become a member and you can get perks to members only videos, members only live streams, and fun little emojis to use in the comments and in the chat when I go live and stuff like that, and a bunch more things. So check that out if you're interested. If you're interested in making these fingerless gloves, okay, this is the pattern or the video tutorial I use. I don't know how to read patterns yet. That's coming, okay? I'm gonna learn, I promise. But if you want to make like these fingerless gloves, or if you're trying to learn how to knit, you've never knit before, this was my first project. So like beginner friendly, definitely, because I've never picked up needles before. I think this was definitely my first project ever that I like followed a video tutorial, you know what I mean? So if you're looking into getting into knitting as a crocheter and you're like, I don't even know where to start, here's that video I use. I will link it down below too if you want to go watch it. But I definitely suggest it because I just learned so much. I learned how to knit, I learned how to purl, I learned how to switch back and forth, I learned how to keep track of everything. So it's definitely beginner friendly and very helpful for newbies to learn knitting. Okay, that's all. That's all. Like, subscribe if you want, blah, blah, blah. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!